Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can outline a text on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we need to do is start a new presentation. So you can either choose a blank presentation or you can choose from the template. You can also expand the templates list by clicking on Templates Gallery. Once you do that, you can choose any template that you like. So I'm just gonna start a blank presentation, and this is how it looks like. Right here, you can choose the theme. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and you can add a title. For example, I'm gonna type tutorial, and from here, from this little plus, you can add a new slide. So right now we're gonna type a text, for example. So I'm gonna name it outlined text. Right now I'm gonna select this text and then right click on it. So you're gonna find right here under text fitting, you're gonna find format option. Go ahead and click on it and then this menu will pop up. So you can change the size and the rotation from here. From here, you can change the position. So for example, I'm gonna change it to the center, and right here you can change text fitting. You can change the or add a shadow like this, and then change the color of it, and the opacity, the angle, and so on. You can also add a reflection, change the distance, the opacity, and the size. And lastly, you can alt text. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.